Hello, come in, breaker. This is your 6Pill. Got it up and going. The hot trace is blowing out on it. Straight to the rest of your yard. Worldwide. 0. Like I said, your hot trace is blowed out on it. You're feeding the B+. Input tune, which is unusual. Hello, audio. Worldwide 0. Now here's your radio drive on the 6Pill. Hello, worldwide radio drive. Hello, audio. Gonna hit it with the driver. Here's with the driver on. Worldwide. We're in about 14.8. Worldwide. Usually run the voltage up a little bit more, so I've probably done a little more in the last video. I'm just running 14. 2500 watt PP. Worldwide on the bird. Worldwide. Good numbers for a 6Pill. That's a real good number. Worldwide. Oh, worldwide. Audio. Worldwide. That's a real good number for a 6Pill. She's all up and ready to go in. I'll get with you and send you a total and get back to you and get her shit back. Thank you, bud, for your business. Hope all well swell your way. Your friend in 10, 018B. Catch you later. Bye-bye.